Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain type defs and type aliases. The type def keyword is a reserved keyword used to create an additional name, an alias, for another data type. It is a new identifier for an existing type. It helps with readability and reduces typos, kind of like a nickname. For example, I'll need to include this header file. Include vector. Suppose we have this really long data type, and I would like to give it a nickname, an alias. You will type the keyword type def, then you list the data type. Well, here's a really complicated one, and I don't expect anyone to know this episode level yet. It's standard vector, standard pair, standard string. So this is one really long data type. And let's give it a nickname. Let's say the name is pair list. In place of using this data type, I can use the new identifier. And suppose I declare a variable of this data type. Standard vector, standard pair, standard string, int. Let's say pair list. In place of using these really long data types, I can use the new identifier, pair list. And usually, the typedef keyword's identifier ends with _t. So we need to make that change here as well. Pair list _t. Pair list. Well, another way of writing this is using the using keyword. You can say using a name. You can just say, maybe, let's say pair list _t, and we set this equal to the data type before, standard vector, standard pair, standard string, and this will work the same thing, like this. Let's say pair list, then list the data type, pair list _t, and we can use the new identifier here, pair list _t, and this will compile and run just fine. Now, let's say that you can display another data type. Let's say maybe text _t. We set this equal to data type standard string. Now I can use the variable as this data type, text _t, name. We set this equal to whatever name you are. And let's display that standard output name. Then I'll add a new line. Let's run this. And yep, we get Alan. And yeah, everybody, that's basically the typedef keyword. The typedef keyword is basically a reserved keyword used to create an additional name. It helps with readability and reduces typos. If you like a copy of this code, I'll post this in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, make sure by smashing that like button, leave a random comment down below, and subscribe me. I'll see you in the next video.